ChatGPT has changed the game, and it can now join millions of entrepreneurs to create, design, package, and sell your own digital products from scratch with zero experience. I welcome you to the course that is changing the way entrepreneurs build income online using the power of ChatGPT. No fluff, no coding, no confusion, just real tools, real skills, and real results. This course is taught step by step with practical product creation, product packaging, and real product launch. You'll build actual projects in this course, like a complete ebook, digital tools, and even an app all powered by ChatGPT. Then we're about to walk through how to package your digital products like Pro, build your landing page, and launch your product to the world, and start getting sales faster than ever. You also learn how to grow your audience, run email campaigns, and promote your products across platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. Your journey does not end here. I'll also show you every tools you need to create amazing digital products henceforth, what prompts to type, and how to execute everything from scratch. This isn't just another course. This is an empowerment for creators who want freedom, flexibility, and a future they can control. Join thousands of creators who are turning ideas into income with ChatGPT as their co-pilot. It's practical with sample projects and sample products, landing pages, and email automations. So don't wait any longer and start creating your own dream company today, following the easy and faster way. Learn the skills of the future that will help you get ahead of your competitors in digital product business. And you're backed by our 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't love it, you don't pay. With this course, you can become a self-made entrepreneur by creating and selling high-quality digital products using ChatGPT. To become a digital product creator and entrepreneur, all you need to get started is just your laptop and internet and follow along in this practical journey. So, I hope to see you inside as you join us today to build your own dream empire from scratch using ChatGPT. Let's jump in now and get started immediately.
Learn with Emenwa Global.